Hey folks, Technivorous here. As you can see, we've made a few changes to our space, so in just a minute I'm going to take you around on a little tour and show you just how we've gotten everything all cleaned up and rearranged and set up our printer bank over there. So we will take a look at that and go over some of the other changes here as well, so stay tuned. Alright, first things first, so where did we put the printers? Well, at the moment, most of them are over in the corner over here, and you can see on the top there are two ANET E8 Pluses, which I will be doing the unboxing and build videos for soon. And then on the bottom there, you have the ANET ET4 on the right and the Tevo Tarantula T Pro. Behind the white case you see here to the left, let me get you a close-up of the expanded size Ender 3. And there you see the staple, the E3, tucked away back in the corner there, and it is working pretty well so far. The space utilization that we have going on here is working really well. And when we jump back over to the main view here in my production area, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell from the thin green lines around my fingers, but this is obviously not a brick wall. It is actually green screen, so should be able to do some pretty interesting things with that, and it should help to keep my face out of the middle of some of the videos as well. So lots of changes, lots of new stuff coming up. This is mostly made possible by the lights, camera, and microphone sent to me by Corey, so again, a huge thank you for that. I finally got around to getting things set up in a way that I think is conducive to a production environment. So stick around, we got a lot more coming from the channel in the future. You might have noticed a little jump up in video quality recently, and that is thanks to the new room that we have. So yeah, it's gonna be a good year, guys. April 24th is my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. We have passed 3,000 subscribers already. That is phenomenal for a first year. As I've said before, it takes on average 2.5 years for most channels to hit 1,000 subscribers. So we're doing really well. I appreciate you guys sticking around and leaving me all the feedback and input. And real quickly before we wrap this up, I want to get into doing some question and answer videos. So feel free to ask any questions you want on this video, and in a couple weeks time I will come back, I will take them, compile them, and we will do a separate video just on your questions. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. Like I said, don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell so you can get notifications when I put up new videos. There's going to be a lot of them coming out in the near future. So that's going to be it, guys. Thanks. As always, this channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. If you'd like to support the channel on Patreon, head over to www.patreon.com/Technivorous. That's going to be it for this video. As always, I am Technivorous, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our main channel page where we do a free giveaway for our subscribers every month. So far, we've given away things like a Capricorn PTFE tubing kit and spools of filament. So the giveaway videos are always pinned to our main channel page. So all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment on the giveaway video for the current contest. Feel free to check out this video right here. YouTube picked it from my content just for you, and if you haven't already, you can hit the subscribe button right here. So what are you waiting for? Become a Technivore now. Thanks again. Technivorous out.